Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're talking about mangoes and diets. Mangoes are a delicious and nutritious fruit, but they're also high in calories and sugar. So, can you eat mangoes on a diet? The answer is no. You must avoid eat mangoes on a diet. It's important to be mindful of how many you're eating. A medium-sized mango contains about 200 calories and 50 grams of sugar. If you're trying to lose weight or manage your blood sugar levels, it's best to limit your mango intake to 1 or 2 servings per day. You can also try eating mangoes in moderation as part of a balanced diet that includes a variety of other fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Here are some tips for enjoying mangoes on a diet. Eat mangoes in moderation. 1 or 2 servings per day is a good amount. Eat mangoes as part of a balanced meal or snack. Pair mangoes with other healthy foods, such as yogurt, nuts, or seeds. Choose ripe mangoes. Ripe mangoes are sweeter and less acidic than unripe mangoes, so you may be less likely to overeat them. Avoid processed mango products. Processed mango products, such as mango juice and dried mangoes, are often high in added sugar and calories. So, there you have it. You can eat mangoes on a diet, but it's important to be mindful of how many you're eating and how you're preparing them. By following these tips, you can enjoy this delicious fruit without sabotaging your diet goals.